In this module, we are going to talk about dealing with the global economy. Globalization of economy is blamed for promoting global inequalities. The rich and developed countries are becoming more rich and they are taking the advantages as compared to the developing world because of their less resources and less advancement scientifically and technologically. So it is giving more boost to the economies of the developed world. There are three ways of resisting economic globalization. Number one, protectionism. Number two, fair trade. And number three, helping the bottom billion. These are the three ways. And now we will learn about protectionism. The basic idea of protectionism is all about when countries believe that they must protect the local industry. Unfortunately, again, here we can say that when developed world feel or felt that there is more place for the developing world to make business in the developed world owing to the process of globalization, they started feeling a threat for the local industry. So they believe that they must have now the policy of protectionism to rescue the local industry from that, uh, awkward situation in which the developed world was going to face after the Chinese influence in the global market. So this is how the countries in developed world usually want to protect their interests under the policy of protectionism. Foreign competitors are treated discriminately. That I earlier mentioned that China when started intervening in the or influencing the global market, so there started a U.S. China trade war, placing tariffs and quotas on foreign imports, assisting the birth of new domestic industries. Otherwise, they cannot compare with the foreign industries. Fair trade. It refers to a system of direct trade between marginalized producers and consumers as it would be effective in the following ways: better working conditions for workers, high wages or higher wages, increased community development, sustainable environmental practices, helping the bottom billion. It mainly focuses on analyzing the differences between the North and the South, or core and periphery. In doing so, the poorest people of the world, bottom billions, should not be ignored. Trade policies for the marginalized should be redefined rather than making them dependent on foreign aid, which has temporary effects. So, this policy of bottom billion, that means that there are more marginalized people in the world as compared to the privileged people. So, we need to take care of those, the bottom billion.